Just listen to her.
A vision. Psychic phenomena. Ghosts, Bigfoot. You actually believe it.
You ever seen her pant like that?
She almost got it.
There's an answer for everything. Which means there's an answer for why you moved the water when the bridge was going
Sophie.
God damn, tongue goes up and down and
Ruby wants to get in it too.
Ruby's does that too, only not as far out.
I just did.
Ah, that
looks funny.
That's a clear picture, Jess.
You have a heart attack, Sophie, or what?